Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is a Volvo XC60 that we've been working on today. Down here, as you can see, this is what we've installed. This is a Witter fixed Towbar, and all the electrics are there. So it's got a 13-pin socket. So it's all been neatly cut out there, nice and accessible. Not a visible cut at all from when you're looking at the vehicle like that. It's not visible. Really neat install. So this has all been installed to the highest possible installation standards. All our team are FitUS approved engineers. We're also Witter approved engineers. So this booking, you can either book straight through directly with us by calling us on 01223 56 30 30. Alternatively, as we are an approved Witter installer, you can go onto the Witter website and log in there and buy your bar all through there, and then literally just come into us and we can do the installation for you. We're an approved centre on there, so you just click on the drop down and choose CBS Automotive. Another thing to mention on this installation is we've installed dedicated wiring. So this is all vehicle specific, retaining your ABS features, all the safety features in the vehicle, and also giving you obviously the safe and approved method of installing a tow bar. So if you have any questions about why you should install dedicated wiring over bypass wiring, please give us a call. Our number will be below, or just search up CBS Automotive, find all our contact information. This customer as well, obviously the installation took around about 5 hours to carry out. We have supplied the customer with a free courtesy car. So the customer came in, dropped the car off in the morning, took the car, and we'll be popping back shortly, and hopefully very happy with the installation. All works perfectly, as exciting as a tow bar can be. But I thought I'd just do this quick video just to highlight a little bit about dedicated wiring and why it's so important to have an approved installer install your tow bar. It is a modification to the vehicle. It is a safety feature that needs to be retained if you are towing. So once again, our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, or just visit us in store or online by searching CBS Automotive. Thank you very much for watching.